Hi friends, welcome to Entrepreneur India. If you're looking for profitable business ideas in the household products sector, you're in the right place. No matter the economic situation, people will always buy essential household products, from cleaning supplies to kitchenware and personal care items. But here's the catch. Customers today want better quality, eco-friendly options, and innovative designs. That's where the real business opportunity lies. So, let's explore 10 household product businesses that have huge demand and profit potential. 1. Cleaning products business. Cleaning products like detergents, disinfectants, dishwashing liquids, and laundry solutions are daily essentials. With rising awareness of hygiene and cleanliness, the market is booming. The key trend? A shift toward eco-friendly and natural cleaning solutions. To succeed, ensure regulatory compliance for chemical formulations and packaging. A unique selling point, like organic or biodegradable products, can help you stand out. The global cleaning products market is estimated to be $163.45 billion in 2025, projected to reach $254.54 billion by 2032 at CAGR of 6.53%. The household cleaning products market, valued at $274.3 billion in 2024, is expected to grow to $510.0 billion by 2035 with CAGR of 5.8%. 2. Paper products business. Every home, office, and restaurant needs tissues, napkins, paper towels, and toilet paper, which means consistent demand all year round. The demand for recycled and sustainable paper products is growing fast. However, sourcing raw materials like wood pulp or recycled paper and managing production costs are key challenges. The global paper products market, valued at $1,035.39 billion in 2024, is expected to reach $2,365.43 billion by 2035 at CAGR of 7.8%. 3. Plastic household items business. From storage containers and kitchenware to cleaning tools and laundry baskets, plastic household items are everywhere. They're affordable, lightweight, and versatile. The challenge? Offering durable, food-grade plastics while addressing environmental concerns. If you introduce recyclable or biodegradable plastic alternatives, you have a massive advantage. The plastic household items market was valued at $80 to $123.5 billion in 2023 and is projected to grow to $103 to $169.7 billion by 2030 at CAGR of 4.5% to 6.3%. 4. Kitchenware and cookware business. With more people cooking at home, demand for high-quality kitchen tools is on the rise. Items like pots, pans, utensils, cutting boards, and storage containers are essential for every home. Focus on premium materials like stainless steel, cast iron, or ceramic to stand out in a competitive market. The kitchenware market, valued at $69.4 billion in 2024, is expected to reach $143.1 billion by 2035 at CAGR of 6.8%. The cookware market is estimated at $15.7 billion in 2024 and is projected to grow to $27.39 billion by 2032 at CAGR of 7.2%. 5. Laundry and clothing care products. Products like clothes hangers, drying racks, ironing boards, and laundry baskets are household essentials. Consumers now prefer space-saving and ergonomic designs for modern homes. The global laundry care market is estimated at $98.2 billion in 2022 and is projected to reach $180.3 billion by 2033 at CAGR of 5.7%. The fabric care market is expected to grow from $111.16 billion in 2024 to $153.47 billion by 2029 at CAGR of 6.6%. 6. Small-scale furniture business. Furniture is one of the most profitable home product categories, but competition is fierce. Chairs, tables, shelves, and storage units have high demand, especially for space-saving and foldable designs. The key challenge? Managing production costs while maintaining quality. The small space furniture market is expected to reach $6 billion, growing at CAGR of 5.9%. 7. Home decor business. Decorative items like candles, wall art, and textiles are highly popular. With low startup costs, handmade or customized products can be a profitable niche. Success depends on trend awareness, smart marketing, and selling on platforms like Instagram and Etsy. The global home decor market, valued at $747 to $960.14 billion in 2024, is projected to reach $1,045.8 to $1,097.51 billion by 2032 at CAGR of 4.5% to 4.58%. 8. Personal care products business. The demand for soaps, shampoos, and lotions is increasing, especially for natural and organic formulations. Customers prefer chemical-free, eco-friendly products, presenting a great business opportunity. However, regulatory compliance and ingredient sourcing can be challenging. The global beauty and personal care market, valued at $557.24 billion in 2023, is expected to grow to $973.13 billion by 2030 at CAGR of 7.7%. By 2025, the market is projected to reach $641.20 billion and grow to $845.20 billion by 2030 at CAGR of 5.68%. 9. Pet products business. With rising pet ownership, demand for pet beds, toys, feeding bowls, and grooming tools is increasing. The key to success? Understanding pet needs, ensuring product safety, and building a loyal customer base. The global pet care market, valued at $190.02 billion in 2024, is projected to reach $323.77 billion by 2033 at CAGR of 7.2%. The pet accessories market, valued at $30.6 billion in 2024, is expected to grow to $49.0 billion by 2033 at CAGR of 5.38%. 10. Garden and outdoor products business. With growing interest in gardening and outdoor living, demand for planters, tools, and outdoor furniture is rising. Success lies in offering weather-resistant, stylish, and eco-friendly solutions. The lawn and garden consumables market, valued at $21.6 billion in 2024, is projected to grow to $29.4 billion by 2033 at CAGR of 3.5%. The gardening market, valued at $120 billion in 2024, is projected to reach $150 billion by 2030 at CAGR of 5%. The household products industry is full of opportunities. Whether you're interested in manufacturing, retail, or customization, quality, innovation, and sustainability are key trends shaping this market. If you're planning to start a business in this space, focus on what makes your product different and how you can solve a real customer need. Then let us assist you. With over 30 plus years of experience, we provide expert support for your business, including feasibility studies, market research, equipment specifications, financial analysis, and custom reports. For more details, contact us through the phone number or email in the description, and don't forget to subscribe for more updates.
znevjagd